this video, I'm going to show you a model of the technique sanction and restore. If you're experiencing problems such as sanctions are taking up a lot of the learning time, or students are responding negatively to sanctions, then this technique could be for you. Remember, you can copy the technique that you see in the model videos, but you can also adapt it to your context. If you do choose to adapt it to your context, try to stay true to the features that make it effective. We think that these are: consistently use sanctions for the same behaviours, deliver sanctions quickly and concisely, consider tactically ignoring minor secondary behaviours, and find opportunities to acknowledge positive behaviours quickly. I'm going to show you a model video now. Imagine that I'm working in a school where we remind students, and then the policy is if they continue with that behaviour, they get a demerit, which is a type of sanction. Imagine that I have already reminded a student to not interrupt me, and then she does it again. I need to give her a demerit, and then I try to find an opportunity quickly to acknowledge some positive behaviour that she is doing. Charlotte, demerit, listen when I'm talking. Thank you. Soon after, Charlotte is engaged in the task I set, so I circulate and say to her, "You've focused well, and I can see that you've improved your work already."